Detroit, 1970s. A city pulsating with the rhythms of Motown, yet grappling with social and political upheavals. Amidst this backdrop, a powerful movement was rising, one that would redefine strength and resilience in the black community. This is the story of blacklisting culture in 1970s Detroit, a testament to physical and mental fortitude. In the gyms of Detroit, amidst the clanging of weights, a revolution was brewing. Black men and women turned to weightlifting not just for physical prowess, but as a beacon of personal empowerment and communal pride. These gyms were more than fitness centers, they were sanctuaries. A place where the black community could forge their bodies and spirits away from the societal challenges they faced daily. Each lift was a metaphor for the struggle and strength of the black community. Bodybuilders like insert prominent black bodybuilder of the era became local heroes, embodying the resilience and potential of a community striving for recognition and respect. The impact of this movement went beyond physical strength. It was a powerful statement against the stereotypes and constraints imposed on black bodies. It was a celebration of black aesthetics, beauty, and power. As these athletes competed, they uplifted not just weights, but the spirits of those around them. Their victories were shared, their struggles a common fight. Today, we remember the blacklisting culture of 1970s Detroit not just for its physical feats, but for the enduring legacy it left behind, a legacy of empowerment, community, and unyielding strength. In the heart of Detroit, the spirit of the 70s lives on, as a new generation lifts the weights of their forebears, carrying forward the legacy of strength, unity, and resilience. This is more than history. It's a celebration of strength, a narrative of empowerment, and a reminder that our power, like our story, is always being lifted higher and higher. Subscribe, brother, if you want big gains.